What's going on, everyone? Thank you for coming back to the channel, Hitting the Grease. You're here with Patrick in the kitchen, cooking with family for family. Today, just cooking for myself. Got the crib by myself, wife's at work. I'm gonna cook something that she doesn't care for, but I love. It's gonna be the CopyCat version of Panda Express mushroom chicken. We're gonna do that with some brown rice. I'm gonna show you exactly what we have to make this happen. Some canola oil, I said that word, canola oil. And we got the zucchini squash, sesame seeds, brown rice, ginger, garlic. We have some cornstarch, sesame oil, and some mushrooms. All right, everyone, we have our zucchini squash that we're gonna cut long ways and then all the way across. We have the canola oil and sesame oil for frying. We have the sesame seeds for garnish. We are going to be using ginger and garlic for flavor. The cornstarch is going to be patted on the chicken, and we're going to toss it all up with some mushroom. All right, and then you want to put the finishing touches on your garlic and ginger. Doesn't matter if they mix up, they're going in the pan at the same time anyways. Show you what it looks like. All right, everyone, we got everything all nice and prepped. There is only one thing left to do, and that is to start cooking. We're hitting the grease, baby. Now we want to add our mushrooms and zucchini, and we are going to cook those until they soften, and then we will introduce the garlic and ginger. Now we want to reintroduce the protein. To make your glaze, you're going to need sugar, soy sauce, and some rice vinegar. Now that that's all in there, we want to mix up and let it cook for a few more minutes. All right, everyone, let's try it out. Wow. Right away, the sauce hits you like a ton of bricks. So good. Zucchinis are cooked down perfectly. They're not too soggy, not too firm. Well, folks, I really appreciate you coming back to the channel, showing a lot of love. We got a lot of exciting stuff coming forward. I'm getting an upgrade in camera. Super stoked about that. But I really do appreciate all of the support. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.